you're getting fixed soon. I gotta wash this damn car again. It's like 8 o'clock right now, but I gotta head over to AutoZone to get a breaker bar. It's one tool that my dad doesn't have. One tool that I kind of need, you know? So I gotta run over there, get that shit real quick, come back, and then probably move my mom's car out of the way, and then I'll start on the whole process of the install and everything. Fuck. It's too early, man. I should've went back to sleep. I gotta cut my hair too. Probably gonna cut my hair one of these days. It's gonna suck. Get in the zone, AutoZone. It's too fucking early for this shit, man. So, as you guys saw, I went to AutoZone. Got everything but the fucking breaker bar. In reality, I need it, but I think I have a 1/2-inch ratchet, so that's gonna be good enough for me. If I can find it. If not, I'm gonna have to make another trip. But look how fucking dirty this thing is. Fuck, man. That trip really messed me up. I gotta stop cursing in my videos. My buddy Dave told me, he's like, man, you gotta stop cursing, they're gonna demonetize you. I'm like, man, I don't even make money off this shit. I'm gonna try to not curse from here on out. See how I do. I love the AC in here. Feels so good. Look at that. It's blowing cold too. Just got back to the house. Probably gonna sort everything out, make sure I got all the tools and everything. This bitch looks good in the garage. Hey, also, another thing, a reminder. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, follow me on Instagram. Weekend spelled like the artist, _bandit, okay? Just hit 1,000 followers, so if you guys do follow me, thank you for following me, and thank you for supporting me on Instagram. And done in a while, y'all. Fucking, we'll shed a tear. Nah, I'm fucking with you. But yeah, real big thanks to you guys. What'd I say? Fuck. I'm sorry. That was the first curse word I think that I said. After I said I wasn't gonna say any more curse words. Oh, let's get started. Actually, before I start with the whole, like, this stuff right here, before I start with that, let me take off my rear bumper. See right here? You got these 2 tabs. Okay, might as well on the other side too. I'll take those off and then I'll go back to showing you guys the rest. Dude, tomorrow I'll probably finish this. I'll probably do the cutting and everything tomorrow in tomorrow's video or whatever. I'm gonna try to do. I'm gonna try to stay constant with the uploads over here because I'm gonna be working from 4 in the morning to 9 in the morning, part-time job, and then I'll have the rest of the day. I'll have the whole day to myself. So I'll show you guys what I can, and I'll try to keep you guys entertained and everything. All right. All right. Tabs are off. Tell me what you guys think. Think I should run it with no bumper or what? I'd do it too. I don't give a. Man, that shit just looks like a skeleton though. Like those are the eyes, the tail lights are the eyes, and then the middle's the mouth. First issue I ran into Focus. Jack stands won't fit under the car because the jack won't go high enough. So I'm gonna try to figure something out. Well, it's called being innovative, guys. Don't judge me. Shit'll hold up just fine. Boom. Some fucked up shit if I've ever seen it. I really gotta stop cursing. So this is one of the reasons why I'm changing the axles. You see all that axle grease? It's because the boot ripped. So I gotta take all that, clean it off, and then I also got the firewall and everything that is pretty much the same thing. Alright guys, so as you can see, I just took the axle nut out. I did that with a flathead, just stuck it into the rotor, like that or whatever. Put it up to the caliper, and then I got axle fucking socket, the axle nut socket or whatever, and my fucking jack handle or whatever as a breaker bar kind of method to fucking loosen it up. As you can see, it's loose. It's just, you know, obviously I gotta take off the fucking ball joints and everything, and take off the fork and everything so I could pull this out and then take the axle out and continue with the whole thing. One thing I like to do is always put like the hardware back in the same place even when you take it out. So I got the carter pin and castellated nut right here. Took already this nut out, so let's see what happens now. So after that, there was this 17 nut as well onto the camber kit. I unbolted that, and the whole fucking assembly came off. So hopefully now I can take off the axle easily. Check this out. This thing literally came out in two pieces. This part right here was separated and everything just spilled out pretty much like that. That was already ripped, so you know, thank God I caught it in time and I wasn't stranded. Here's the passenger side one. Doesn't look that bad at all. Obviously I'm not gonna put that back on because I got two brand new ones over here. Passenger side, driver side. So let's get down to the clutch part of this. Might need help with, so I might FaceTime my boy Dave, going with the EG in San Diego. So yeah, hopefully I can figure everything out though. I am going to be removing the slave cylinder. As you can see right here, I believe these are the 10s. I don't know if you can see that right there. This block right here, this thing. These two are 10s, and then on the slave cylinder on the bottom there's two 12s, I believe. And take this out, swing this out of the way, and then should be good and move on to the next process. Alright guys, so it's a couple hours have passed by. It's dark now, and I still have this thing, you know, taken apart. Alright, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. There's a bracket in the back of the transmission that connects to, I believe, the firewall. This bracket has 4 bolts on it. You could take 3 bolts out, or you could take the entire bracket out when you take out the transmission. But I swear to God, I think the bolts are seized or something, because I was with my foot kicking the thing. I was with a hammer trying to kick the damn ratchet to try to get these bolts loose. Nothing. So I got frustrated. I threw things. I prayed to Jesus to give me the strength to try to loosen these damn bolts. Nothing. So I don't know. I'm gonna take the L on this one. And yeah, but I did put the new axles in. Well, on this side. Oh shit, I still gotta do the other side. Now I just gotta put everything back on. I gotta put the slave back on and the axle on this side and tighten everything down and put the wheel penis back on. So I'm a little upset with myself that I wasn't able to get everything done, but hey, you live and learn. I might be cutting the rear bumper tomorrow as the first thing in the morning. I'll show you guys that. My front bumper should be getting in. Some of you guys got to look forward to. My front bumper and lip cost me a lot of money. And I ain't trying to flex, but I'm just trying to say that shit's getting expensive out here. I'm probably not gonna be doing any more mods to the car until my family gets down here and everything gets settled down and everything. Because honestly, I'm not gonna be able to afford it while I'm trying to save money to get them out here. So the bumper and the clutch were the last things that I bought for the car. So, you know, I'm gonna install those things and then just gonna have to wait for everything else. If anything, I'll see you guys tomorrow, alright? Deuces. One love.